This is the hard truth. Cracking JEE is not about luck or a magic trick. It demands discipline, focus, and relentless effort. There are no shortcuts. You must be willing to sacrifice distractions and push your limits every single day. Today, we are diving deep into a clear and focused strategy for both JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. This video will be your guide, broken into two distinct sections. Stay with me until the end because every minute counts. And I challenge you to take action immediately. Section 1. JEE Mains. Let's start with JEE Mains. Your foundation matters more than you think. The exam tests your grasp on concepts and your ability to solve problems quickly. First, build your fundamentals. Identify the key topics in mathematics, physics, and chemistry that are frequently asked. If you haven't mastered these, then spend time reworking basic problems until you feel confident. Create a strict daily schedule where you alternate between theory and problem solving. Do not skip topics you find difficult. These are your areas for growth. I want you to comment below with one topic you have struggled with and your plan to master it. This public commitment is a powerful motivator. Practice is not enough without analyzing your mistakes. Every time you solve a practice test, spend as much time reviewing your errors as you did solving the problems. This iterative process will build your accuracy and speed. And if you see a strategy working for you, share it in the comments so others can benefit. Your insights might help someone else overcome a challenge. Time management during the exam is crucial. Learn to allocate your time per section and stick to it. If you finish early, go back and review your answers. I challenge you to simulate exam conditions at least once a week. Record your results and adjust your schedule based on your performance. This is how you build real exam readiness. Section 2. JEE Advanced. Now let's move on to JEE Advanced, where the questions are designed to push you beyond standard problem solving. The hard truth here is that the same strategies that got you through mains will not be enough. You must think deeper, analyze problems from multiple angles, and remain calm under pressure. Focus on strengthening your analytical skills. Start by revisiting the concepts you mastered for mains but go a step further. Solve problems that require higher reasoning and integrate multiple topics. I want you to like this video if you are ready to challenge your intellect and dive into these tougher problems. Develop a habit of critical thinking. Instead of memorizing formulas, understand how and why they work. This approach will allow you to tackle unfamiliar problems, work on advanced problem sets and past years' papers. Set weekly targets for how many problems you solve and track your progress diligently. Engage with peers who share the same goal. Form study groups where you explain concepts to one another. Teaching is one of the most effective ways to learn. I challenge you to form or join a study group this week. Share your experiences in the comments and let us know how it changes your approach. Take mock tests seriously. They are not just practice sessions, but your window into the real exam environment. After every mock test, analyze your performance with a fine-tooth comb. Identify where you lost time, what concepts confused you, and how you can improve. Write down a detailed plan to address these weaknesses, and commit to it. Final challenge: I need you to commit to these strategies. Write down one immediate action you will take today to improve your JEE preparation, be it starting a new study routine, joining a study group, or tackling a tough problem set. Share it in the comments. This is your moment to step up, to overcome excuses, and to push yourself towards excellence. Remember, your success is built on the discipline and effort you invest today. No more waiting. No more shortcuts. Take action. Share your progress. And let's conquer JEE together. Now, get started and transform your preparation into a winning strategy.